On average, most of us will have a pretty good time sitting inside the car. Whether it's for our daily commute or for long road trips, there are very few reasons not to spend that time more comfortably and conveniently. Although most modern vehicles leave the assembly line packed with quality of life features, your particular vehicle might not have everything you need. You will take a look at what we consider the 5 best car accessories you can buy, all of which are available at an affordable price. Who knows, maybe you will find something you didn't even know you wanted or needed in your life.
Here at Top Up Zone, we are a bunch of researchers and testers. We test, analyze, research new products and create our list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products ideas so that viewers may know about new products. Our goal is to create proper shopping guidelines so that our viewers can make proper decisions.
Maxboost magnetic phone mount is great. This is one of the strongest magnets for cell phones you have encountered. Don't let distracted driving get the better of you. For less than what you probably spend on lunch each day, you can get yourself a pair of magnetic phone mounts from Maxboost. These small mounts work with any phone and simply slips right into your car's air vent for easy installation and removal. You'll have to stick a metal plate on either the back of your phone or sandwich it inside your case for the magnets to work. Each mount uses 4 powerful magnets to ensure your phone won't fall off when you are driving. The reinforced dual-sized claw on the back of each mount gives a rubberized exterior so it won't damage your car's air vents. Best of all, these mounts are easily adjustable so you can get the best viewing angle on your phone from behind the wheel. Living in today's connected world, having a charged phone has basically become a necessity. Unless you own a newer vehicle that came with built-in USB ports for charging, you will want to invest into a car charger. If you are going to spend any amount of money, you might as well get a unit from a reputable brand. Anker is known for their sleek designs of their tech products. Anker's exclusive multi-protect safety system provides complete protection for you and your devices. The Anker Mini car charger features 2 USB-A ports that provide a combined 24-watt that is enough to full-speed charge 2 phones at once. This charger isn't compatible with Qualcomm Quick Charge, but Anker does have options that support QC. Measuring just 1.7 inch long, this compact charger almost sits flush inside your cigarette lighter receptacle. It boasts a scratch-resistant aluminum alloy surface and uses gold-plated circuitry to reduce heat while charging. If you are viewing for a quality 2-port car charger, this might just be your best bet. In recent years, dashcam have become an extremely popular car accessory. Not everyone wants to spend hundreds of dollars on a dashcam, but for them there is this affordable Crosstour unit. It records 1080 pixel video and has a 3-inch LCD screen on the back. This dashcam uses a large aperture 170-degree wide-angle lens and wide dynamic range technology to get clear footage at night when the built-in G sensor will grant the dashcam to detect while there is a sudden shake or collision. If it does, it will automatically prevent the video from being overwritten, even if it's recording on loop. Features on this dashcam add loop recording, motion detection, on-off audio, license plate stamp, timestamp, auto power-off, screensaver, and burst photo capability. Now obviously, if you buy more expensive dashcams, they have more features, but for simple recording of events, this is the best one. No matter how hard you try, you are going to end up with trash in your car. But instead of shoving it in your cup holders, door panels, or any other service you can find, just buy yourself a car trash can. This versatile unit from HOTOR can be placed on the floor of your car or hung from the seat back for easy access. It even enters with an adjustable strap so it can basically be installed anywhere that is convenient to you. This car trash can uses waterproof and leak-proof material with a durable inner lining. It is easy to wash if necessary and has enough storage to hold a good amount of trash. It can even be used as a storage bag for toys or children's products. And if you don't necessarily need it as a trash can, say at the start of a road trip, it's great to store snacks and drinks. The Drive Auto Products Trunk Organizer is durable, sturdy, and has all the pockets that you need for staying organized. Whether you are picking up groceries or needing to put your kids' sports equipment in your trunk, an organizer keeps it all tidy. More importantly, that means things are not just rolling around from side to side while you are driving. The organizer is made with premium Oxford 600 denier fabric. It also provides two big front pockets. It uses a revolutionary tie-down strap system, so you can hook it to a cargo net around your seat backs or even onto your backseat child safety anchors. Overall, you will be impressed with this product. It will change your attitude about working from the car and make you so much more productive and organized as you tackle your tasks.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.